tired of your crap sliding all around in the back of your Gladiator? We're gonna fix it up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, go to Home Depot, Lowe's, I don't care where you go, and buy you a 10-foot board. Now, if you can do 2 of these, I'm doing one for my mom as well. You can do 2 of these with a 10-foot board. You're going to need it to be about 57.5 inches right on the dot. If that's different, I'll correct it somewhere in there, but I believe it's going to be 57.5 inches. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sand this down real good to get around all these rough edges and stuff. I want all those gone. So I'm just going to sand it down, and then we're going to stain it, and then we're going to let it dry, and then we're going to pop it in the back of the Gladiator. This should be fairly simple. Now, I don't know what curveballs could lie in store. I don't suspect any, but we just want to make sure it's nice and smooth. Maybe round these a little bit. I don't know. It's my first time ever doing this. So, we'll do our best, though. How about that? I'd also strongly suggest wearing some kind of mask. You want a mask on whenever you're doing this, so please wear a mask. Okay, let me show you the reason why I'm suggesting to sand it. So if you sand it, you're going to have a lot smoother edges here. There's not going to be anything that reaches out there and bites you or anything like that. I just went and sanded everything around on there. I might hit it one more time, but that's pretty good. Let me show you the difference. See how you've got these rough ends right here with the sanding that'll remove some of these old rough ends, so that way you don't get no splinters in your hands or nothing like that. But that's why I'm sanding it. Also make it smoother coming in and out of the bed of the truck. Okay, like I said, I went with a 2x6. I don't know if anyone's done this with a 2x6 yet. I'm sure they have, I just hadn't seen it. But I'm using a 2x6 instead of a 2x4 just to have those extra couple of inches. And I didn't want to do 2x4s. So this is the stain I went with. It's a Bear Premium. Make sure I'm holding that where it can be seen. Should work for waterproof stain and sealer. 6 years on decks, 8 years fences and siding. Longer than I'll ever probably use it. Went with a red just to see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good just with a little bit of contrast in there. But I'm going to get to staining this. I've got a small brush, 2-inch brush that I'll just be able to dip that brush straight down in there and get it going good. And here we go. Alright, so the other side is going to go much the same. So the other side will go much the same way, and y'all probably don't want to watch that. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. Just going to let this set and dry a little while, and then I will get it put in the back of the Gladiator. But that is it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not saying it's perfect, but you know, hey, it's the best I could do, and that's all that matters, because it's only going in my truck and my mom's. But anyways, hopefully it's good enough. Well, bada bing, bada boom. Crap ain't gonna slide everywhere now. So you got pretty good little depth here to be able to put your stuff, and it's not gonna go all the way to the front. Hope you enjoyed it. Pyah!